Hey everybody, I'm Susie and this is Soozie's Stuff. Welcome to station KDIY Channel 146, home of quick, easy, affordable, and always fun DIYs. Today is all about getting ready for spring with a few quick and easy projects. Come on! I'm starting out with all of these supplies from Dollar Tree. We all have the flowers and garden bucket, right? And I'm just going to cover the basket with some of this fabric. This fabric is some ticking fabric, or I think they call it like a farmhouse stripe. And you can use any fabric that you like. A floral would be really pretty. You could even do a decoupage of some napkins or tissue paper. But I just really like this fabric. It's neutral and it just looks really pretty. So I just cut it to size and hot glued it on. Again, you could use Mod Podge to do that, but it fit really well. I just kind of trimmed it up and kind of folded it on the ends. And here we have a garden stake. This one has a butterfly, and I really loved the galvanized part of it. So I was trying to take it apart, and I was like, how am I going to get that undone? And I turned it over, and you just kind of flip up the wires, and it pops right off. So I just cut off the bottom part, and it is ready to go. The other little orange butterfly fit perfectly in my plant there. So I hot glued both of those together, and now I'm just going to add a couple of wooden beads to the center. The wooden butterfly cutout I picked up at Dollar Tree over in the Crafter Square section. They had a bunch of different shapes, so I love that these two went together perfectly. And now I'm ready to hot glue it to the bucket. I just kind of bent it to give it sort of a flat surface so that it would adhere to it better, and it stuck great. I grabbed some boxwood florals from, these are from Walmart, and just threw those in. You could even add some flowers, but I just love this neutral look. It just really could be almost all year round. You could even pop the butterfly off and put something else on there, but I love how it turned out. Just beautiful for my backyard patio table. All right, next up, we need something for our front door or for the back patio. I've got this gigantic piece of wood that I've had forever. I had already painted it white and gave it a little distressed look. You could use some Dollar Tree MDF signs, just put them together. I've done that before. And I just want to use my stencils. These stencils I picked up at Amazon. I'll link those below. It just says spring and has some little flowers and butterflies on them. But what I'm using is some Pixie Spray. I sprayed it on there. It's a low tack adhesive so that your stencils will stay in place. And the next thing I'm doing is I added some Mod Podge on there, and that will give it a crisp line as you stencil. So everything's ready to go. I chose a dark gray, I think this is Elephant in Waverly, and a pink acrylic for the little butterflies and the flower. And ooh, it comes out beautiful. And this is the best part of stenciling. Look how gorgeous that came out. Ooh, I love to pull that up. It's such a fun feeling. And it looks great. Now the end, it looks like it messed up, but that's actually some wood that looks kind of crazy. But it just came out so great. I love it. And also what I did is, you see the lines that were on there. I just took my brush, a little tiny brush, and sort of filled in those lines so the letters looked nice and full. I also grabbed some twine, some little purple flowers. These are from Dollar Tree, and just made a little flower arrangement at the bottom. And look how cute this looks on my back porch. And if you've never tried stenciling before, give it a try. It is so much fun. Just grab some low tack adhesive. It doesn't have to be the Pixie Spray. There's lots of adhesives out there. It just helps it keep in place, and then use some Mod Podge over that to get crisp lines. So I hope you enjoyed this and you're inspired to create your own. And if you like quick and easy, this project is for you. Keep your eye out on those really cute Easter baskets. They are so adorable, and they have different colors of ears. And I have just gotten a couple of different colors of flowers, all from Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do is just stick them in the basket. Is that simple or what? And then just a few pieces of greenery here and there. I also love the Dollar Tree grass pieces. It's great just by itself, but I love that you can pull them apart and just kind of stick them out in there any which way, and I just love how it came out. Look how cute and festive and springy it is. Now, to finish this one up, I grabbed these darling little stickers. They have just the cutest words: laugh, believe, love, all kinds of things. And I got some skewers, and I just really quickly hot glued a few on. I think I did two, one going this way, one going the other way. And then I'm just going to stick those right into the basket. And of course, if you can't find this funny basket yet, because I know they're coming out, mine just, I guess, got them early, who knows, but a nice bucket or a beautiful flower pot will work just as great. I just really love these stickers sticking out of the top. I think when you walk past it, it really gives you a smile and makes you feel just warm inside, and I just love those stickers, and you can usually find those all the time. Ooh, he's so cute. I hope you have enjoyed all these quick and easy projects today to get us in the mood for spring. Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Target, and Walmart all have the supplies to get us in the mood. Stay tuned for lots more, and please don't forget to check out my Instagram page and the shorts videos I've started to create just for some quick inspiration. So I appreciate everything. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or a comment down below. Enjoy, everybody, and thanks for joining me on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.